If you're choosing your A-level subjects right now, you probably have one big question. Which combination is the best for you? Today, I'll make this simple. We'll look at the most popular sets for medicine, engineering, and computer science. I'll rank them by difficulty and show you where they lead. Let's start with medicine. The golden rule is that biology and chemistry are compulsory. Without them, you can't even apply. The third subject can be math or physics, even something lighter like psychology. Some students take 4 to stay competitive, like bio, chem, math, and physics. But there is an important note. Requirements differ by country. For example, in Egypt, public universities do accept students into medicine with just one strong A-level, an A-star in biology. That's very different from the UK or Europe, where 3 solid A-levels are the standard. In terms of difficulty, biology A-level in 1 year is very feasible. Biology and chemistry full A-levels are quite challenging because you'll be setting 6 exams per subject. So it's wise to take Edexcel since you can divide the exams over more than one session. If you're considering more than 2 A-levels, then I recommend dividing these into AS in 1 year and then A2. This spreads the workload and gives you an official AS grade after the first year. Engineering is all about numbers. Math and physics are essential. If you want chemical engineering, add chemistry. And for elite places like Imperial or Cambridge, further math is strongly recommended. Regarding difficulty, math and physics already encourage problem-solving skills. Adding further math makes this a challenging A-level combination, but it's still manageable with consistent daily effort. The rewards are excellent. Fields like engineering, data science, and finance become very accessible. Let's now shift to computer science major. Math is non-negotiable. If you want the top universities, then further math is a huge advantage. Physics or computer science A-levels can be useful, but not strictly required. A strong combination would be math, further math, and physics. This doesn't prepare you only for computer science degree, but also artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data careers. All right, that's it for today. Remember that the right A-level combination is the foundation for your future degree and career. So please choose wisely.